amathalenta awafani mfethu isi coach akafuna ukumgama minutes ndanga ngithola into enjani. An unfortunate incident to happen ukuthi uMbatha angene mfethu and I was obviously speedy recovery to Sisendule ngithola.
Yeah.
But I was happy mfethu to see uReading uMbatha mfethu in that lineup ngithola, and I think he showed mfethu coast mfethu. Now mfethu like this is the type of defending six, and mfethu Mbatha you can literally put him anywhere. Ngithola you can literally put him because mfethu because I wanna hate la injury ene. I was like, tlang. Let's see what's gonna happen now. Wantola kilele elo utlile mfethu Mbatha asula mfethu napakani yahlaya. Wantola kilele mfethu we love talent Mbatha mfethu. And again mfethu. I'm fana like wow mfethu. Wantola wow mfethu. Like our defensive midfielder mfethu. That what I've seen this season, in fact, I don't think there's anyone who played that well, more 16. In fact, that guy in fact demands the ball.
Yeah.
He turns, like he plays long balls.
Sure.
He's able to go through players. I think he gives us way much more when he's in that position. And even last I consider, I think he took it upon himself to say, okay, now I must be effective and go forward, try to score try to create. That run if it. Hey, sayinyaza ranele mfethu. He needs someone onempower ntwana wanthola. Just shoveling nje defense arrow sibe ikwela mfethu. Sharp that cross ball mfethu. Beautiful performance from Talent Mbatha ntanga. How did you think of Talent Mbatha?
Sekishota ka stabilizer. That guy stabilizes the game. Like we police and ngithola uthi shh. Because uthe immediately make ngene shh.
Yeah.
Ngithola like